Yo, what up guys, Bo here. First, I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you guys for watching and subscribing to my content. It is much appreciated. So, in order to show my appreciation, I want to do a giveaway. Now, this giveaway is geared more towards content creators, whether you're into photography or videos, but really anyone in the US is eligible. Sorry for you guys overseas watching, I promise there will be future giveaways eligible to anyone in the world. This is the Manfrotto Digital Director for the iPad Air. So for those of you that are not familiar, this allows you to have full control of your camera with your iPad. It's much more than just turning your iPad into a simple monitor to see yourself like most camera apps do. You can control camera exposure settings like ISO, f-stop, shutter speed directly from the app itself. In addition to exposure settings, there's also focus assist like focus peaking and zebra. This thing even has a time-lapse mode. How great is that? If you have a hobby in content creation, whether it's photos or videos or even a YouTube channel, then I think this would be a great addition to your gear bag. I'll quickly go through the specs for those gearheads out there. Now, this isn't a review since I've never used one of these, and this box is fully sealed. It's got a Made for iPad logo, which means it's officially Apple approved. The whole thing is essentially a mount for your iPad Air. It has an ARM CPU inside. You connect it to your iPad via a Lightning connector, and it can run on either 4 AA batteries or with the included AC adapter. It connects to your camera via a USB cable, and once you download and open the app on the iPad, it'll auto-connect to your camera, and that's it really, you're done. The only downside is that this only works with certain Canon and Nikon cameras. So if you're rocking a Sony or a Panasonic or another brand, you're shit out of luck. I'll link the list of compatible cameras down below, so check it out to make sure you have the correct camera for it. So, to enter the contest is real simple. All you gotta do is give this video a thumbs up, let me know what kind of camera you use, phone camera is okay too, and subscribe to this channel, and you know, hit that notification bell. You don't have to. It'd be nice if you did, I very much appreciate it, but you don't have to. And finally, follow me on Twitter as I'll be announcing the winner 2 weeks from now on Twitter. And of course, the winner will be selected at random. And this box will be shipped out to you right after. So the reason why I want to do this giveaway is I know creating content isn't easy. I mean, maybe it's easy for some of you out there, but it definitely doesn't come easy and doesn't come natural to me. So I think this device will definitely help you in getting started if you've been thinking about getting into photography or creating videos or even starting a YouTube channel. Okay, that's it for today. Go nuts on that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be part of the notification squad. This is Bo. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.